Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to go back from iOS 26 beta to iOS 18.5 or 18 without losing any files or data. Because right now I'm seeing a lot of errors and complaints regarding iOS 26, even beta phase. So a lot of asking is how to go back from 26 to 18.5. The first thing you want to do is head over to your browser, opening up Google. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla, or even Microsoft Edge. In here, basically type their IPSW, click on enter, and look for this website, IPSW downloads. Now while you're in here, if you're using a device for iPad, iPhone, or MacBook, choose the one that you're using. For example, we're gonna go for iPhone, right? Click on it right there, just remove the ads, and choose the specific iPhone. For example, you're using 15. If I click on 15 right here, you're gonna see 18.5 right there. Now, if I click on this one, it will automatically download on my computer and go straight on my files. After downloading it and going to your files, open up your iTunes. Should be looking like this, okay? Now connect your device on your computer using a USB connector. Sometimes it's going to be a lightning cable. Just connect it and it will show up in iPhone iTunes. Simply click on the phone desired on this left side right here and basically run it up. Run the file on your iPhone and you'll be good to go. And that's it. You don't really have to do much here. Plug it in. It will automatically show it up right there. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.